Hi everyone, we are playing Pure Chess for the PS4, and we are in Chess Challenges right there, and we are going to go from there to bonus games, and then we're going to look at Mate and 4 in this video. We're looking at problem number 20, and it's a little bit of a tricky problem. So if you'd like, you can go ahead and hit pause and then try to figure out potentially how to solve this. Okay, some things to notice about the position is what is the best way for white to attack and basically mate black's king at 4. If you get the position, if you bring the queen down here anywhere, you'll notice this rook can go right here, and it's checkmate because this is blocked, and then that would be blocked. So you got to be, if you're going to bring the queen, it better be a series of checks, because if you don't, it's game over and black wins. The question is, can we use this rook here? We can't really force a check. You can bring a spot there, but that's not going to really help. So we can't move the queen because that forces checkmate for black would checkmate white. So the only question is, maybe we could do something with this rook right here. And it looks like our only really options are, that's not a good option, not a good option. Potentially an option, but I think in order to bring pressure, you got to bring a sacrifice and then work the queen into this, and maybe use this rook as a pivot point to do that. So we are going to sacrifice a rook right here with a check. Okay, simple enough. Black recaptures. Now we're going to put another check with the queen. That's move number 2. And okay, here's a little bit of a tricky part here. The number of options for the queen. It looks like the best option is going to be right here because there's only one piece that defends that square, and that's this king right here. That's the only piece that defends the square, whereas the queen would be protected by the rook right here. So, okay, we're going to move the queen right there. And that essentially, pretty much forces mate in one more move. And there we have it. We solved the problem. Hopefully this video helped out a little bit. Thank you for watching.